Welcome to my channel Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, numerologist and life coach. As you all know, I'm making a series of videos on planes. That means with few numbers, few lines get completed in your birth chart, in your Losho grid. I'm going to talk about one of them. So there are total 8 planes, 3 horizontal, 3 vertical and 2 diagonal. So basically few numbers, if they appear together, they form a particular plane or line. If those line gets completed, then they mean something. So I'm going to talk about one by one in detail. I've already made a few videos on other planes. If you haven't watched that, please go and watch. Link is in the description box. Today I'm going to talk about thought plane. That means the numbers 4, 3, 8, if they appear in your birth chart, they form a line or a particular plane, which is the first vertical line in your Losho grid. So what does it signify? What is the role? What is the impact? What is the personality trait you carry if you have those numbers? All of them I'm going to talk about in detail. But before that, you know the drill. Please hit on the bell icon and subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified on my upcoming videos, and share this channel with your friends, family, so that everybody can be notified. So let's start talking about the thought plane, which is comprising of the numbers 4, 3 and 8. So what does this 4, 3, 8 do? What does this 4, 3, 8 number? 4 is ruled by the planet called Rahu, 3 is being ruled by the planet called Jupiter, and 8 is being ruled by the planet called Saturn. So if all these 3 planets come together, they create a very strong thought process in that person's life who are having these numbers in the birth. So I'll explain what does it mean. So these people are having strong thought process. I would say that these people are proven people. They basically think ahead, and I would say that their discipline skills are excellent. Their organization skills are excellent. Their imaginative power, creative powers are excellent. Financial management skills, all these powers will be boosted if these 3 numbers are appearing together. I would say to some extent, these people are people can think ahead, and these people start thinking where usually others stop. So we can understand the discipline of Rahu, which is 4, the imaginative power of the creative power of Jupiter, which is 3, and the discipline and the financial management skills of Saturn, which is 8. If these 3 numbers or this in this combination, if it's appearing in your birth chart, your thought process goes to the next level. You will be well disciplined, highly educated, there's a possibility, and then your imaginative power, creative power will be very high. So all these numbers together, we call it a thought plane. These people can do very good in politics as well. And if you want to know more about political career, please go and watch my previous video. Link is in the description box. There I have talked in detail about the political career. What are the numbers which will make you politically successful? Apart from this, these people can do very good in law sector. So make your own birth chart and check if these numbers are appearing in your birth chart. I would recommend that know your strengths, identify your strengths and work towards them. It's possible that you had not been knowing about your strengths, and you have been wondering and been choosing your career option. So this is the time now that you know it, you can explore that and you can work towards it, and thus you can give a shape to your personality also. God has given you this opportunity, so don't waste it. You will see that your success rate has definitely increased. There's a possibility will increase. So that's all for today. In my next video, I'm going to talk about another plane and going to explain its traits, the overall personality, the impact in your life. You will see after the end of the series, your knowledge on numerology will be substantially increased. My effort will always be towards that. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.